Hello YouTubers and welcome to Thursday. Now I've got the survey question from Wednesday for you. 44% of us would like to change this about ourselves. Now Annie, she's got one. She has. Haven't you, Annie? You've got one. And what you do with it, eh? You bark. That's what you do. So the answer was voice. 44% of us would like to change our voice. I did give you a clue, and lots of you got the correct answer. Right, now before I give you the comments that you made with those answers, I'm going to give you today's survey question. It's a little bit of a long one. In a recent survey of people sharing one house, this is the #1 reason they have arguments. I'll say it again. In a recent survey of people sharing one house, this is the #1 reason they have arguments. Okay, now I'm going to give you the comments that you so kindly gave me. And we're going to go with line screw 1, and he said change their voice, which is correct. Well done to line screw 1. Nancy Hussey Carter, she said a beautiful voice, which is also correct. Well done to Nancy. Leah X, she also got it correct, and she said change their voice. Thank you, Leah, for that. Now Top Dog X, now she changed her mind. She went, first of all she said change their voice would be too obvious, so she went with change their looks. So she mentioned the right answer, but she went for the other. Anyway, that was Top Dog X. Robin Gavin Mack, he said my modesty. He would like to change his modesty. Okay. Sharon Carlisle, she said change their names to make them more famous. And last but not least is Michael. He said change their names. So well done to everyone who got it correct. Line screw 1, Nancy Hussey Carter, Leah X, and I'd give points also to Top Dog X because she did say it was too obvious to say change their voice. But yes, she got it correct as well. Anyway, thanks very much. We're going to say goodbye, Annie, aren't we? Do have a go at the survey question for today, Thursday, and I hope to see your answers tomorrow, Friday, God willing, that we're all still here. And don't forget, tonight, we're going to clap for the nurses and all those workers that have helped us through this epidemic of virus. Okay, so we're going to say goodbye, Annie. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye for now. All the very best. God bless you all, and bye-bye. Bye-bye. I forgot to mention that the video that you've just watched is about some of the birds, not all of them, but some of the birds that come into my garden. And tomorrow, Friday, I'll probably be featuring another one that comes into my garden, which I'm going to keep secret for now, but you'll find out on Friday. Okay, all the very best to you, and bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.